All right, you guys won't believe what happened this week. This week is a very, very humbling week for me because I was really telling myself last week that it's rare for me to have a losing week. And lo and behold, I had a very, 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 very ridiculous week last week. Yeah, because today is Sunday, so obviously it's last week. But this second week of January is very, very crazy because I'll show you guys. So this was the first trade I took. Price went were and then came back to my stop loss. Second trade, stop loss. So at this point, it was still Monday, so early in the week, I felt like I'll still see other entries. And then price did this. Can you see this? So price took my entry, went up for a little bit, came back down, then hit my stop loss. After hitting my stop loss, what did price do? Price went straight to TP. Although this is not my first time seeing something like this, but now at this point, I'm at -3. Right, so that's my third trade of the week and my third loss of the week. So on Wednesday also, I saw an entry, took it. It was a loss also. That's my fourth loss. Wednesday, fourth loss. I still had high hopes. And then I entered this trade, and this trade. So that was when I posted something in my public channel that now I'm in three trades, and if I'm able to take profit on these three trades, I'm going to pass my challenge account. Guess what price did? Look at this. This momentum here, this volume here, took out one, two, three, and I was up like 4% before on my challenge account. Now I'm down to like 1%, I think, or maybe like 0.8%. So I'm down like 1%. So it's kind of crazy to me how I took seven trades in a week and I didn't get to close one at TP. I took seven trades, seven losses, and those seven losses are like 3 point something, like 3.5. Yeah, that's 3.5 minus 3.5% in a week. So let me not even talk about my personal account because my personal account went from being 400 and something percent up to like being, I don't know, I didn't check the percentage. I just know that I already have like half of my starting equity now for something that I started around November, and I was growing. I was trying to make it a compound. What do they call it? Is it compound interest? Yeah, I was trying to compound the account and grow in an exponential manner. So now I'm in drawdown, like 50% drawdown of my starting equity. So that's that's one thing. If you are risking high, you're going to go up very fast and you're going to come down very fast. I don't know if you get that. So that's what happens if you are risking high. So I was taking all these trades on my challenge account, but I only took one on my personal account because I already risked enough. And even I took this trade and this trade, then I would have blown the account. I would have blown the account. So I really don't want to, blow the account. So I didn't take these two trades. Right. So at the end of the day, I got stopped out, and the whole of the week, seven trades and seven. So what I have to say is, as long as my accounts are not blown yet, we're going to keep going. But to me, it feels like these seven losses felt like a wake up call and a very strong lesson to me that I have to be humble in this market. I've been humbled plenty times, but I still have to be humble. I don't know, like more humility. So I'll catch you guys next week, because at first I was recording every trade as I was entering every trade, and then I saw that the losses are getting too much, and you guys won't really like to see those losses as I was taking them, and the video will be very long. So I just decided to make a like a final one, like a compilation of the whole thing, because I was making videos explaining a lot. So I feel like in the coming times I'm going to be posting some of the lessons I talked about in my pre-recorded videos. So you guys are going to get everything that I'm trying to put out. Right, so this is all for this week, and hopefully we get to come back next week. I appreciate you guys for even watching to this extent. That's if you guys are still here. I appreciate you. Just kindly drop a like and subscribe. So yeah, I can have the energy to continue doing this, because it's so crazy talking to zero people. Right? Cheers.